Welcome to Cát Bà Island in Vietnam, and I can't wait to show you what it all has to offer. So let's go. Hello everyone, and I just arrived to Cát Bà, and this is my hotel room. I'm going to stay here for 2 nights and show you around. So let's start from showing you my hotel room. That's really rewarding, guys. And I have a balcony. Let's see. Let's go. There you go. Wow, so beautiful. So yeah, let's go. This is Cát Bà Island, the beginning of beautiful Ha Long Bay in Vietnam, place where you can see never-ending limestone mountains, beautiful coastline, meet some locals, see the culture, and of course enjoy the beach, beautiful city, and great local food. The adventure begins here with Vietnamese noodles, spring rolls, and beautiful evening activities. This is Solo Travel Girl. Let's explore Cát Bà. And welcome to Cát Bà Island in Vietnam. This is my second or third time here within 10 years, and it really changed. I'm really excited to show you around. The first of it, Cát Bà 2025, just on my back, and there's a lot of construction going on all over the city or the town because they are growing. And yeah, in the next few days, I'm going to be showing you Cát Bà. So let's go. I'm so excited with Vietnamese coffee here. Okay, so none of this was here when I was here last time. I didn't have a YouTube channel. Now I have a YouTube channel, and I want to show you the best of Cát Bà. So let's go. My first stop is going to be beach. So let's go. Okay guys, so here you can see how tight all these hotels are. This is incredible to see how quickly Cát Bà is developing. Look, one after another. And honestly, we just 1 hour flight from China, so there are a lot of Chinese tourists, but the most of it, the Westerners. It's a must stop place for anyone who is doing backpacking around Southeast Asia. I've done that many years ago. Now I'm here just for a couple of days and I still enjoy it. Yeah, so let's go explore Cát Bà. And the motorcycles. The motorcycles are just everywhere. Wow. Okay guys, I just arrived to the beach number 2. It's pretty crowded, but it doesn't matter. I want to show you something super interesting, and definitely this is unique. I've never seen a hotel like this. It's a hotel, but it's actually jungle hotel. Check this out. Wow, look at this hotel. This is astonishing. Every single balcony has palm trees, a lot of vegetation. Wow, this is incredible. Crowded beach. Wow, this is beach number 2 in Cát Bà, and I'm going to do a little bit of hike to the other beach on the other side. So let's go. I can't wait to show you Cát Bà, and welcome to Vietnam. This is Solo Travel Girl. Let's go. Okay guys, so I'm just arriving to Cát Bà number 3. Today is also national holiday in Vietnam, so there's so many people. And they actually know Chinese, they are Vietnamese, because here also they celebrate the Labor Day and they have a long holiday, just like we do in China. So check this out, there's so many people. Wow. Wow. Yeah, this is all Ha Long Bay here. Beautiful. And now I want to show you this and also this. Okay guys, so since Cát Bà is going through some serious construction, I had to sneak through some restaurants. I might be kicked out to show you the sunset. So look at this. Wow. And now you have to see this. Wow. Okay guys, so the night has just started. I am out searching for some Vietnamese food and I found this local place. Let's check it out what I'm going to eat tonight. I'm so excited. And these guys are really on fire. Okay, so after a confusion, they brought me a soup. It's absolutely too hot for soup. I'm having my first dish, fried noodles with seafood. Check this out. I'm really excited because I'm super hungry. Okay, so this is the food. It looks pretty good. There are noodles here, rice noodles. There is squid here and some other seafood. Yeah, and they also give you soup here. Yes. Let me try a little bit of squid. It's pretty good. The dish costs 70,000 Vietnamese dons. Let me check. Fruit. Okay, so another dish arrived. The boys are working really hard on the wok. And these are the deep fried veggie spring rolls. I really want to try it, but the most interesting fact here is the chopsticks in Vietnam are so big, guys. Okay, I want to try the deep fried veggie spring roll. Mmm, pretty good because they're fresh, super hot, spicy inside. Actually, really like it. Okay, these are the crispy, spicy spring rolls here in Hanoi, guys. Something you definitely have to try because this is Vietnamese. Vietnamese. And you can dip a little bit in spicy. Oh my god. Kids on my back. Crazy. Mm. Yeah, definitely. Very good to try here. Okay, guys, I'm going to end up my video about Cát Bà right here. There's like a really Vietnamese style Valentine show. The food was great, and yeah, tomorrow is another day. We're going for the Halong Bay full day adventure. So let's go and bye. Okay, guys, so it's around 11 p.m. Forget about sleeping in Hanoi, even though a beautiful view. It's a national holiday in Vietnam, and yeah, the party must go on. I mean, like the street is full of people, and they're having karaoke right there. Yeah. So welcome to Cát Bà, guys. Welcome to Vietnam in national holidays.